Okay. Took 2 other parts DAX to make this one here. So there it is, your DAC Mark 10. It's all up and running. Meters work. Hello. 6 watts output. You see it's taking the 10 watt scale. Goes about 16 watts TET. And I have a tight meter. I don't have happy meters here. Turn that switch on. You have a Roger beep that's built in. That switch right there, that controls your funny channels. Now, no, I don't have a road map. Just hook up a freak counter and away you go. Anyway, remember, I'm just a general tech. This is just a hobby for me. I don't do this for a living, and I do not do restorations and all that. So, I mean, I got pretty nice shop equipment. Got nice scopes, signal generators, audio generators, everything. But that's pretty much just to take care of my stuff. Anyway, I hope it holds up for you. You have fun, enjoy. KMA Unit 1, Alligator Lizard, downtown Longview, signing off.